Can you tell her what expansion means? What does it mean for her to expand?
Seeing beyond the game, seeing beyond the pretending of being small and not knowing. It's horrible here. It is horrible here. It is beautifully horrible in here. It's just all these beautiful souls just turning things upside down, you know, making things just chaotic and beautiful, and you have to be okay with it all. As she speaks, she doesn't feel it so awful. It is how it's supposed to be. She understands that. There is nothing to be scared of. The hardest part is being human. There is the tending to the quote unquote reality of fear that you will lose an arm, you'll lose something's gonna die, you know, something's gonna, you know, feel not good, but it's part of, you know, playing this game and holding space in this space. She doesn't like the part of the helplessness of being human, the helplessness that things will fall, you know, that idea of waiting for the shoe to drop, you know, that being here, even in its goodness, the other side is the badness, and it's not, it's almost like it's not personal. And so it's tough. It's tough. So it's that somewhere along the line, that idea of just sending the body to float down this river, and we'll just stand outside and not feel, not remember, you know, just it's wondering if it's cheating. To play it that way. Of course, it comes with its price. Because then you get not to feel, and if you're not, you know, fully in the body, avoiding being here, then yes, you get to ride the river, but you don't get to decide where to go, what to see, and how long to see it for. And so a decision has to be made. You know, you either open your eyes or you close them. You know, it's one way or the other.
Very good. Now, can you show Ruba, can you open the screen and show her a timeline where she make the decision to see, where she opens her eyes and decide to see and open?
So many colors. It's just so beautiful.
What do you see?
Oh, she doesn't want to see, but we're getting colors through. Almost like enticing her. She's not that far. She's not that far from this. She's just finding her balance of switching from being in this world and knowing not to trust it, but behaving as if you know this world and you trust it. You trust its chaos. You trust its duality. You trust its uncertainty. Again, we've used this analogy before. It's like when you decide to go to the beach or get into a pool, you know, we'd say it's kind of like almost silly to think that you're going to go to the beach and not get sand on yourself or jump into a pool and not get wet. It's part of it, the guarantee that you come to this experience and you will step into uncertainty. You will step into chaos. You will step into possibilities and co-creations. It's not a surprise, you know. You chose to go to the beach, and you know there's going to be sun, there's going to be wind, there's going to be, you know, sand, there's going to be other people, there's going to be something that pokes your foot. You know, it's all the possibilities of being there. You know, surgery isn't gonna. Not gonna find an operating room on the beach, but you're gonna find somebody selling ice cream, maybe not. You know, you're not gonna see somebody with a sewing machine, you know, sewing a wedding dress on the beach. That the probability of that is very low. You know, but maybe somebody flying a kite, maybe not. But there's that probability, and so the choice of coming here, there are these probabilities, and you know, being from the human's perspective, there are no guarantees and no promises.
Yes.
Yeah. And, of course, that collective vibration of fear. You know, you can choose to use that fear to paint a darker possibility. You just bracing yourself, waiting for the bad to happen.
Yeah.
You know.
So it's all about human understanding the duality of this world, the uncertainty, the millions and millions of probabilities.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then
and to have trust in life.
There is the trust in the mechanism that you chose to put yourself in. You chose this amazing experience. And choosing to forget to marvel at the colors of the sunset. Because, I don't know, somebody scratched your car.
Yeah.
Or because you're afraid, you know, you won't be able to make rent this month, or if you said something wrong to somebody and now they're saying something about you, and so you don't see the, you know, colors in the sky. Who chooses that for you? But it's all there. It's all there. So follow that joy. If you want more rainbows, if you want more sunsets, because they're there all the time. The sunset is there for you to see. If you know, put yourself in a cave or put yourself between four walls and and turn your back to the sunset, you cannot start to sing how awful this place is. Turn and face what you love. So if she knows her calling, then drop everything and turn towards that light. And understand that, yes, there'll be days where the body might not feel so good, or the world might not feel so good. And it it's almost like with the advertisement for, I don't know, Listerine, that stinging sensation means it's working. So face the sunset if you want, or the sunrise. And know that you might burn dinner, or something you've been waiting for is not going to come through, or whatever. But it's all part of it. I laugh because I'm also being shown a peacock, which is, again, there's these beautiful colors, and then it poops. It comes, with what it is. So this magnificent peacock and its colors and it's just majesty, but it's also going to make a mess. And you can choose to focus which end of the peacock you want to focus on, because they both exist.